Okay, today Sophie is helping Mommy clean. Sophie begged to help clean. This is not enforced labor. You want to jump too? Now notice that it's better to clean the kitchen if you're wearing your rain boots. Can you show everybody your boots, Sophie? Where are your boots? Boots, yeah. Sophie likes to wear her rain boots. Okay, come here, let's clean. Are you ready? Here we go. Okay. Got it, get it, get it, get it. Can you get it? Clean it. Wow, what a good job you are doing. Excellent, excellent work. Thank you. Are you helping Mommy clean? Can you say, I'm cleaning?
Okay.
I'm cleaning the refrigerator. Yes. Okay, good job. Good job. Are your boots clean?
Clean.
Clean.
Cheese.
Cheese. Okay, say bye-bye.